Hello guys, let's not make a big intro. Let's just dive right in. So this is a Python lecture. So we use many functions, right? I just want to emphasize a really important point. Don't ah I already written that. Don't forget about okay. Don't forget about while true semicolon. This is a really important function. You have many functions, and while false, the programming stops working. So let's dive into lists right now. Students, let's say, equals ah yes. So Harry, and then we have Ron, and then we have Hermione. Oh, I didn't print it right. So print students. Um. Oh, the student because I mentioned here. So student. And then it's all good, right? So it's all printed. So let's say print students 0. Uh, Again, I'm making the lame silly mistake. Print student 1. Enter print student 2. So let's just try out. Harry, Ron, Hermione, right? Harry 0. This is all like just printing, but here one codes is considered as one letter. Like that, we can map it up, right? So this is simple. So there's another way to print it. List equals, let's say, A B C, um A um sorry, B C, right? So now let's just cleverly define a function. For I in list, print I, uh, print I. Uh, I'm using PyTorch, so it's pretty default for this indentation space. But if you're not getting this, you make sure to leave one space, that is the indentation space, or else you'll get an error. A, B, C, pretty cool, right? Now let's say fruits equals. Let's just finish with 2 fruits, not need 3 or 4. Fruits equals orange, um, mango. That's just enough. So print the length of fruits. Oh, length fruits. And obviously, we always end with this semicolon. Oh, sorry. we can't do this like this because it's just a function. Sorry. First of all, let me just demonstrate it to you. Like first of all, what is length of roots? This is two, right? Instead of two letters in a word, we're getting two letters. I mean, two words in a list. So for I in range len fruits. Now this is the point. You're saying some command, you're defining something, so let's use the semicolon. Print I, comma, fruits I. Now you won't get the exact result as you want because it's 0 and 1. According to Python, it's like this, right? So what you do is cleverly define I as I plus 1. I plus 1 comma fruits, that's 1 comma 2, right? So now this is exactly what we want. Okay, let's see how long this video's gone so far. Okay, so today so far I have covered lists. We have sets and then some more libraries and importing stuff, pretty cool stuff. So not that much. So tomorrow we'll cover sets, okay? So today we'll just go with lists. So now we can actually go slow because we have less number of topics to be covered in more number of days. So let's go slow. So let's just end this video right now and